Yeah, well, this is the grinder, angle grinder, 115mm Black & Decker model. Very good for doing cutting. It's currently got a cutting blade in it, which is quite a thin blade, and ideal for cutting what we're going to do here. We're going to remove 20mm off this threaded rod, and then we will do another process later on with grinding the top of it. So we need our earmuffs, and we need to be very careful of where our sparks will go, that they're not going to somewhere that they could danger or other people. Very good.